Great conversations are part of a healthy customer relationship. But having one with each and every customer is really hard. When you are running an online business, you may have already tried a number of things. Perhaps you added contact forms that no one ever filled in. Or you tried adding pop-ups and all they did was annoy your users and drive them away. Or maybe you added a live chat widget, then you realized you don't have the budget to hire additional staff to sit 24/7. Also, you can't let your existing team be distracted by repeating customer queries. To solve these problems, we will be using Collect.Chat. Link is in description and resources tab of this class. Here, you can make an interactive chatbot in minutes. Just design the conversation using drag and drop interface. Then add the snippet code to your site and you're all set. The next time your website has visitors, the chatbot will engage with all of them. It will ask simple questions like what they need and who they are. You get instant notifications and the same conversation can be sent to any tool you use in your workflow. You can book appointments with your visitors. Translate the bot to the language of your choice. And it works round the clock. The conversations are completely automated, so you don't have to worry about a thing. It's time to make your conversations friendly again. Give your users the best user experience. And you will see a lot of happy customers.